saying hi. Hi, Mohit. I think Mohit is a new student of mine, so definitely I have many of my old students also who have joined in for the session. But before that, I would love to welcome all the new ones who have joined the session. Hi, hi, Shritish. Hi. Welcome, dear. So. I am all excited for the session and I hope you are also happy and excited. And before that, first of all, please check if everyone's muted. Please check if you are, somewhere in a cool and calm place so that even if you don't have, you don't have any disturbance to do our activities. So first of all, today's session is all about communication, like what is happening now. I am communicating to you all. I am speaking to you all. But you are understanding only because we both are speaking in same terms. That means I am speaking in a language which you all can understand. I hope you all agree with that point. So communication is very important. You can communicate verbally or non-verbally. Verbally, I mean to say with any language that you know, be it your mother tongue or any other language, Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, or anything. And hi, Namika, hi. And non-verbal as well. For instance, just a grin on your face like this can mean harsh to someone. And someone who's feeling sad also can express that they are sad. That means he's saying that he's sad. And someone who's all excited like me right now can express or say or communicate to you that he is happy. Okay? So there are many other means of expressions as well. I will come to that point later on. But for now, I have few activities for you for today so that you will understand and communication as a skill even better. I know many of you have a small nervousness or you get tensed when you speak in front of others, maybe in front of parents, in front of your teachers, or in front of a crowd, or maybe when your parents just ask you to go and dance or sing in front of the relatives who come to your home or in front of your parents' friends. And I'm sure it is all a problem. So this session, we are going to learn how to communicate to people with love. Okay? Keep one thing in mind that your action, they say there's a proverb that says action speaks more than words, because your actions are enough to say people that what you're feeling, and your words speaks more as well. So make sure that your expressions or your actions or your words do not hurt others. We are here to spread love with communication, so we are not going to hurt anyone. Make sure you speak softly, sweetly, and in a way that others don't get hurt. Be it your mom and dad, be it your friends, be it your grandma or grandpa, or anyone around you. Okay, done. Okay, so now let's get into the first activity. Okay, so I would request Tamil to please share the first picture that I had shared to you. Okay, while Tamil...
yes, I am sharing it.
Yeah. Okay, while Tamil shares the screen, I want everyone to look at the screen and read or find out how many F's are there in this sentence. Don't say it out until and unless I ask for. Just make a note how many F's are there in this particular sentence. Okay, maybe we can give you 15 seconds of time. Okay, so let's see what you guys are going to figure out. Okay, so actually this was also a little tricky for me when I saw this for the first time. But let's see how many of you come correct. Okay, now, oh, Shritish. Okay, Shritish says it's 9. Rahul says it's 7. Okay, now everyone can say how many F's are there in the, you can all type in the comment section. Naumika says 6. Mohit says 6. Okay. And few others, I want everyone to answer. I want everyone to go through this. I want everyone to answer. I'm sure it's interesting. And I have a small point at the end of this. Okay, Samrita says 10. Edward says 11. Okay. Barnika says 7. Abdul 7 for sure. Abdul is very sure that it's 7. Okay, Rahul 9. Okay, okay. So, as in do not like the real symbol. Okay, okay. Okay. So, you guys want to know what is the actual answer for this question? Okay, we can stop the screen share. Tamil. Okay, so I'll just turn. Okay. Okay. So I'm sure many said the numbers from 6 to 11, but how many of you think that the answer for this question is truly 6 or 11 or 10? I'm not, I mean, it's your individual opinions, but there was just one person who said the answer is 11. Can I know who that person is?
Hamsini Balaji.
Hamsini Balaji. Hamsini, hi Hamsini. Hamsini, can you just put yourself?
Where is Hamsini? Are you on video?
Yeah, she is on video.
1 second, let me bring her on spotlight.
Okay.
I think she had issues with her audio. Let me see if that's solved here. Hamsini, can you try speaking now?
Hamsini,
Okay.
Yes, perfect.
okay. Hi Hamsini, nice to see you.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. I think Hamsini has proved herself again because Hamsini is a very brilliant student of mine, and she is the top notch, I should say, even in this round. Because, okay, now you say me, Hamsini, why did you say the answer is 11?
I counted fully, ma'am. That's what the answer came 11.
Okay, so what all words did you, I mean, from which all words did you count the alphabet?
I don't know.
Okay, so let's read this again. Okay, so I think I just okay. So in the can you just reshare the screen, Tamil? Just
Ma, nana answer correct சொல்லிருக்கேன்மா.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, she did say the answer right. Okay, so fireflies are familiar, but very few of us realize they are a type of beetle. Fireflies love moisture and often live in humid regions of Asia and the America. Okay, so fireflies, there are 2 F's in fireflies. Familiar 1 F, few 1 F, off, O-F, off 1 F, realize, no, sorry, realize, and again, realize they are a type of, another off, so OF off, OF off, then again, fireflies 2 F's, and then often 1 F, humid regions of, where did I leave out the other F's? Okay, just a second, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. If you clearly see, there are 11 F's, and out of which you have 4 offs. So considering the 4 off, the answer will be 11. Many of you said it is 6 and 11, 6 and 7. So you have to also observe the smallest of offs that are also used in a sentence. So what I'm trying to say is, when you communicate or when you are interacting with someone, if you are reading something, if you are observing something, you have to observe the smallest of nuances that you see. Okay. So this is the first activity, like an icebreaker that I started off for you guys to show how communication or how important communication and the small aspects of communication are. Okay. Okay. So big hands to Hamsini for the great work. Okay. Good job, Hamsini. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, great, dear. Okay, so now who is ready for the next activity? I just want you guys to show up your hands. I will pick one person, the first person who shows up your hand. Okay, Abdul Mateen. Okay, Abdul Mateen was the first person to show up his hands. So I think I'll pick Abdul Mateen now. Okay,
Abdul, will you be able to come on video?
yeah, Abdul
I'm
Mateen.
unmuting you.
No.
No? Okay, so who's the next one? Mohit. Mohit, will you be able to come on video?
Where is Mohit? Yes, Mohit, I have unmuted you.
Ma'am, I cannot make the video, ma'am, because there is a problem in my video, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. So who else is ready to join me then?
We have Satvik raised his hand in video and Rahul Vittal. You can select one of them.
Okay. So let's go with Satvik then.
All right. Yes, Satvik, I have unmuted you. You can speak.
Yeah. Choose pandangle. Confirm. I don't know.
Satvik, I want everyone else to be muted apart from Satvik. Okay. Shritish and others, I will definitely come back to you all because I have 2 other experiments. I'm sure we'll interact. So for now, we'll go with Satvik. Okay. Hi, Satvik.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you, Satvik?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, great. So, Satvik, now we have an activity. This is also an activity to show how communication is important. Okay. So, let's imagine. I want everyone else also to imagine what I'm saying. Let's imagine we are celebrating a festival, or maybe, yeah, suppose we are celebrating a festival. Suppose we are celebrating Deepavali. Okay, Satvik, to your home. Okay. So I am coming to your home with a gift, and you are ready with a gift to give to me. Okay, I have a gift for you, and you have a gift for me. Okay, as soon as I go to your house, okay, I come hug you and say Happy Deepavali, Satvik, and I give you the gift. It is completely wrapped. I don't know what gift you are giving, and you don't know what gift I am giving. You are asking, but now you are going to ask me or guess what gift I have given you. Okay, and similarly, I will guess what gift you have given me. Okay. So let's imagine, what gift would I have given you? Just guess.
A toy.
A
A toy.
toy. What kind of a toy?
A chessboard.
A chessboard. Okay, okay, okay. So this is now this is where the activity starts. Okay. So now you guessed what gift I gave you. So immediately what I will answer is, wow, Satvik, how did you find out that I would have gifted you a chessboard? I very well know that you like playing chess a lot. Don't you? I know you play chess, other board games with all your friends, and immediately you will start dancing. Okay? Yeah, see, he's shaking his hands. Head, sorry. So, now, you understood the plot? Now, I will reveal what gift you gave, and you have to immediately say why you gave that gift to me. Like how I said you, why I gave the chessboard to you. Okay? I will say any gift, but you shouldn't think too much, and you should say on the spot. Okay, that is the activity. Okay, so now I come to your home, I hug you and say, Satvik, thank you so much for giving me such a beautiful gift. because you like the gift I gave you, and now I'm going to open the gift. But before opening the gift, I am going to guess the gift. Okay, let me guess. So I think you gave me a. Okay, I'm thinking. I think me a computer. Okay. A laptop. Okay. Let's imagine your gift is a laptop. Now you say me why you gifted me a laptop. Takkune.
Because of celebration gifts for the gift, for the guest we should give.
Can you come again?
For the guest we should give gift.
I didn't get you, Satvik.
Can you repeat, Satvik?
Can you repeat?
If a guest comes to our home means we should give them.
Wow, very good, very good, very good, Satvik. See, that's so welcoming of you. Seriously, you could have said anything. Good answer, Satvik. Do you have any other sentence to say? If you have something else to say, you can say.
Then we can take care of them and to welcome.
Okay, okay. So one thing I understand is Satvik is a very homely guy, and he's very welcoming, and he welcomes all his guests. Okay, so that is what I understand. See, the reason why I asked, I played this activity with you is to know how instinct or how spontaneous your thinking is. The more spontaneous your thinking is, the more likely that kind of a person you are. Now, because you said that you want to welcome someone with a gift, so that means you're such a homely guy and such a homely person, and I'm sure if I come to your home, you'll definitely gift me a laptop, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, shaking his hand. Okay. So let's see, we play this game with one other person, okay, and let's see what they have to answer. Okay, now let's go with Rahul. Rahul,
Yes, Rahul, you can speak so that we can check your audio. Try speaking, Rahul, so that we can check your audio.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you. Though the voice is feeble, we can hear you.
Okay.
okay. Hi, Rahul.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm audible.
Okay, great. Okay, so now Rahul, you would have understood the plot of this game.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I am going to guess what gift you would have gifted me, and let's see how spontaneous your response is. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Suppose you had gifted me a bird.
Because you like spending time with
Your voice is breaking,
birds
Rahul.
and how to spend some time. So what's up?
Rahul, I think you have to keep your mic a little closer and speak.
Now can you hear me?
Yeah.
I think you have a little bad connection, but still, yes, you can try speaking again with mic little closer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, because you like birds and you spend more time with animals because you love spending time with them.
Okay. Nice.
And I saw you like spending time with birds most of the time. That's why I've gifted you a bird also.
Oh, okay. Nice. See, first of all, thank you, Rahul. I don't know how much you know me, but the fact is, I loved spending time with the animals and birds. Again, good thought. I don't know if your instincts are so good that you know me well. So that means you have a good instinct of getting to know people. I think that's a very good trait of yours. So very good answer, Rahul. And the good thing about Rahul's answer is he was creative, or his instincts were really that good enough to say what I really like. So and another thing is, he wanted to give me a gift like bird because I like it. Okay, it is always important to give a gift to someone because they like it and not because you like it. Okay, just because I like the chocolates, I can't give or gift chocolates to someone who doesn't like chocolates. Okay, see, if Samrita doesn't like chocolates, correct, Samrita? Samrita doesn't like chocolates, right? I should, in that case, I can't go and give Samrita a chocolate. Correct? Samrita is laughing. Okay. So, I hope you guys understood. The reason why is how spontaneous you people speak and how spontaneous you people think when you say about a word. Okay? Because this is not something planned. I didn't say about some of these words to you guys. Correct? Okay. Now let's go into the next. Okay. How many of your mom or dad's members? Raise your hands. Mom or dad?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
How many of you know your mom or dad's phone number by heart? Please raise your hand. Not bad. Okay, Satvik is thinking whether he knows his mom's or his dad's number. Okay, okay, Samrita, Rahul, Abdul. Abdul, do you know? Abdul is okay. Okay,
Yes,
I see.
Abdul has come on video also.
Okay, so Shritish. Okay, Shritish, can you have you here? Because the next time, if Abdul is ready, we'll go with Abdul for the next activity. But for now, we'll go with Shritish.
Yes, ma'am. My mother's phone number is 055832739 and my father is 05699155501.
Oh my God, computer dude. Okay, see now if I have to think about my own number, I'll have to think, okay, 8123125850. So I have to take that 1 minute of pause and then say, but he is so fast in it. Okay, so Shritish, the activity is for you. Tamil, can we go ahead and share the next picture, please? Please, everyone, put your hands down.
Yes.
I've chosen Shritish for this activity. So,
Yes, I'm coming with the next picture.
yeah. Okay.
Yes, here we go.
Okay. So now I have a maybe 17-digit number here, and I want you guys to memorize this in maybe. Let's see who memorizes this number first and raises your hand. I am giving the chance to them. I don't want to keep any deadlines. Let's see who's going to memorize this number first. Okay, Abdul Mateen. Yeah, Abdul. What is the okay, before that, Shritish. Before I go to Abdul, Shritish, did you memorize this?
So Divya, let me know when I should stop this share so that we take this.
Sure. You can't unmute. Can you just
No, before I unmute them, I need to stop the share. Right?
Okay, then you can go ahead and stop.
Yes, so whom do you want me to unmute? Shritish. Okay.
Shritish, if I can even
Ma'am,
quickly-
ma'am, can you just, ma'am, for the last time, can you just show, ma'am, because I was typing. Can you just show for 5 seconds?
I will just read it out, or maybe I'll say it out, Shritish, for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Or do you want me to close?
Someone has shared the screen. You can just watch.
Yes, ma'am. Give me a second. Just give me a second to memorize.
Yeah.
91867312303121447.
Ma'am memorized. Sritish memorized.
Okay, memorized. Okay. Okay, done. Okay,
Can I
Shritish.
tell?
Okay, before Shritish, I think, yeah, Shritish, just a second. Before Shritish, Abdul raised his hand. So after Shritish, I will also ask Abdul. Abdul has to say it by heart. Okay, Shritish, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. 91866731230 312 147.
Are you memorizing or are you reading out from somewhere, Shritish?
No, ma'am. I'm not reading.
You're not reading out, sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Then a very good job, Shritish. Good job.
Did I get every number correct?
Yeah,
Yes.
you did. Ah, brilliant. Okay, so let's go. Let's go to Abdul. Abdul Mateen.
Divya, I have an idea. What I am going to do is, I want you to come on the video, close their eyes, and then say the number.
Okay, best. We'll do that.
Okay, who is going to do next? Even we can show the numbers on screen, others can see and validate that. But
Yeah,
if that particular participant to close the eyes. Who is that? I think Hamsiniya.
sure, sure.
Want to give the opportunity. Next, we'll give it to Hamsini.
Okay, Hamsini, yeah, sure.
Hamsini, I
Hamsini,
want you to close your eyes. Once you close your eyes, we will put the number on screen. And once we say, Divya says start, you will start reading it. I mean, we'll start saying the number. So others can also validate in the meantime if she's saying it right. Yes, Divya, you can, once you are ready, you can say start, Divya.
okay, Hamsini, are you ready? Okay, but Hamsini, you have to unmute.
Wait, I'll unmute her. Yes.
Yeah.
Hamsini, I've unmuted you. Yes,
Yeah,
you can
ma'am.
close your eyes. You can close your eyes and say the number now.
91866 731 230 312147.
Very good, very good. So who else want to try? Close your eyes and say the number. Someone who didn't get a chance.
Yes, Satvik is ready. I'm unmuting Satvik.
Sadvik, okay, Sadvik. Come on, Sadvik.
That is Satvik.
Close your eyes.
91866 731
Huh.
2230.
Done. Anyways, no problem, no problem. I think you missed out on some numbers. Not an issue, Sadvik. Let's see who else is going to try this. Okay. Who else?
I think Sritesh wants to say now with eyes closed.
Yeah, Shritish, please go.
Ma'am, can you hear me right?
Now I will be able to talk in that slowly.
Yes, ma'am. 9186673 31230 30312 147.
Very nice, very nice. Great job, Shritish.
Ma'am, can I open?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
You finished your job, so you can definitely open. Okay, one last chance. Who else want to try this? Raise your hands.
Satvik has already done. Hamsini. Varnika, you want to try? Varnika, Samrita? No, you don't want to try. Rahul, Samrita, Abdul.
Abdul Mateen, I can see your video, but would you be able to say this out?
I've unmuted. Abdul, you can speak. You can unmute yourself. I think he is not ready. He's a little away from the phone.
Navamika want to.
Naumika wants to. Okay. Then we'll choose Naumika over Abdul.
Yes, Naumika, is it possible for her to come on video?
No.
Or if not, go ahead with voice. Yeah. You can start, Naumika. I think she has a bad connection over there. In the meantime, Varnika is practicing. I think she's going to come next.
Okay, guys, see the ultimate reason I made you guys read out or memorize this particular big number is to just say that anything big or anything that is huge, be it your question and answers, be it an essay, be it a letter, or anything that you try to write, your 10-mark questions in your exams, anything is possible. You can write every word or every sentence that is given until and unless you read, you structure the way you learn these numbers or these answers or anything. Okay. See, for suppose my phone number is 8123125850. But you know how I memorized my number? I split it into 3s and 4. 8, 1, 2, 3, because I know 1, 2, 3 is in a sequence and before that is 8. So I have to just remember 8 along with 1, 2, 3. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 2 in between. 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5, 8, 5, 0. So you can see that I have a rhythm, a structure in remembering. Okay, I'll just say this again. 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5, 8, 5, 0. Okay, so this is how I learned my my number. I divided it into 2s and then 4. Okay, and there are a few other numbers also where you can divide it into 3s and 4s or just 2s and 4s or 2s and 3s. You can just divide it according to your choice and remember, memorize or do anything. Okay, so the whole point is please structure, please divide and then learn. Suppose a question answer has 5 different points. And for example, when I was studying in college, I have a friend called Arun and we are still friends. And if we had 5 points, we used to remember these 5 points in the order of any Tamil song. And we used to just sing it like a song and then go to the exam and write. We only had to remember the 5 points, because remembering the 5 points, I used to get the 5 sentences or the 5 other sub points. So this is another way of communication, because when you communicate, you shouldn't leave out on points. If you miss your essential points, what you are saying will not be communicated well to the other part. Okay, understood? Okay, so now let's show a thumbs up if you are enjoying the session till now, or thumbs down if it's boring. Thumbs down, thumbs up. Okay, I see Varnika, I see Samrita, Rahul. Hamsini, boring. Okay, Hamsini, boring. Okay, I think she wanted to say something. Okay. I'll come back to you, Hamsini, on that. Okay, Satvik.
Mom.
Yeah.
Mom, I can't understand you, ma'am. My mom called. That's what I stopped video and gone, ma'am.
Okay. No, I was just saying, if you have to remember or memorize or learn things, you have to structure. For example, like I said, my 10-digit mobile number, I divided into 4 and 2 2s. So I remembered it in a rhythm, in a pattern. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5, 8, 5, 0. In a similar manner, if I memorize that 17-digit number, I can say it as 918 667 312 303 121 47. So if you try to bring in such, music, a rhythm, structure it in counts, I think it'll be easier for you guys to communicate to people or even write your exams or points well in your exams. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, others, I didn't see what others said me, whether they like the session until now, because I have one last activity and I have a little few things to show you guys. If you guys are interested, we'll continue because it's 7 o'clock. Please thumbs up if you like the session. And if you want one more activity. Okay, see thumbs up. I see thumbs up. Okay, Samrita, you don't want a session. Okay. Okay, I see Shritish, I see Rahul. I don't see Abdul. I actually didn't see who Edward is, but I think it would be good to have Edward.
No, Edward is taking part on behalf of his kid. So
Oh,
it's from
okay.
India.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, everyone thumbs down. Now let's go to the last activity. Okay, this activity is another fun activity which I personally love. Okay, so okay, so now I'm going to say you a sentence. Whoever understood that sentence, please raise your hands. Okay, okay, so let's go. ILIKETOGOTOTHEPARK. Did anyone understand this sentence? I see clueless faces. Abdul Mateen understood. No, Naumika didn't understand. Okay, I will repeat. Okay, so the sentence goes like this. ILIKETOGOTOTHEPARK. Now did you guys understand? Raise your hands. Okay. I see Varnika. I see Abdul. I see Rahul. Samrita, no. Okay. Shritish, yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. For one last time, I will repeat. Listen to it carefully. Okay. Everyone, hands down. Okay. I like go. No, Naumika. It's not go gaga. I'll repeat the sentence once again. Okay. ILIKETOGOTOTHEPARK. I think now people should have understood. Has anyone still not understood? Just, I want people who have not understood to raise their hands. Okay, I see everyone. Okay, I like to go to the park. Okay. Okay, so I see many people texting me the answers. So I know everyone understood. The sentence is, I like to go to the park. Okay. So now I want 3 of you. I'm just going to pick any 3 of you, and I want you to say me a sentence. Okay. And let's see if I am able to figure it out. Okay. So with this activity, what we are going to see is if you guys are able to spell correctly all the words that you're going to say, and see to that I also understand your sentence. Okay. So who wants to give it a try? Hamsini wants to give it a try. Varnika wants to give it a try. Okay, I think we'll go with Varnika because Varnika didn't, we didn't choose Varnika until now. So, Varnika. Anyways, we have 2 more chances. So we'll pick Hamsini. Okay, I see Hamsini. Me, please. Okay, Naumika, Hamsini, and Varnika. This Shritish also. Okay, 4 people. So we'll choose all these 4. So now let's go to Varnika.
Ma'am, can I say?
Hi, Varnika.
Hi.
Nice to see you, dear.
Thank you.
Okay, so Varnika, ready with your sentence? Give me big sentences, okay, please.
Big sentence.
Don't give me any big sentences. Let it be simple, okay? Okay, let's go.
ILIKETODANCEANDBATMITTON.
I like to dance and badminton.
Play badminton.
Yeah.
Oh, you left out play.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
Shritish?
1 minute, ma'am. I'll come back.
yeah, please, Hamsini. Please go on. Okay.
Mommy,
So,
another call is coming, ma'am.
who is it?
Mommy, another call is coming, ma'am.
To Satish, is it? Oh
No,
Sath-
ma'am, it's not Shritish.
Sath, you have another call. Okay. Satvik, you say me one sentence quickly and you can leave. He left the call. Okay.
Ma'am, can Shritish now?
Okay, Satish. Let's go
Ma'am,
with
yes, ma'am. IAMFROMGRADE6C.
Amma, Marik Perka.
Ma'am, do you want it again?
I definitely want it again, Satish. Please go ahead.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. IAMFROMGRADESIXC.
I am. You're so fast.
Ma'am, you told that we can tell fast. I thought you can tell fast so that we can't understand.
Not about being. It is not about saying it fast. Even if you have to make sure that you pause in between two words.
Hi, ma'am.
Say the sentence. See, like how I said, I
Ansni.
T-O-G-O-T-O. So I had pauses, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'll do that.
Okay, now make the sentence.
Hi, Ansni.
No, ma'am. It's wrong. It's wrong.
Okay, please.
IAMFROMGRADESIXC.
X-E. Okay. You heard it? Did anyone get what Shritish just said?
I am
Did
from
anyone
6th grade.
get what he said?
I am from grade 6.
Not exactly. There's one more letter.
I am from 60.
Grade 6C.
Grade 6C. I am
60.
from grade 6C.
Great, super. I think I'm a bad trainer now. I feel like a bad trainer now. Sorry, guys. See, I mean, at least you guys, I am old now, so I don't have too much memory like you guys have. So at least we are missing out on things. So, good, Satish. In fact, you were so good that you
Thank you, ma'am.
Good job, Satish. Okay, now let's go to Naumika.
Hello.
Naumika, can you please put on your video? Naumika, are you there?
Yes, Naumika is on unmute. You can speak, Naumika. No, we cannot hear you. I think she's trying to speak. Yes.
No, dear.
Yes, Naumika, now we can hear you. You can speak.
Hi, Naumika.
Hello.
Naumika, hi.
Hi.
Okay, so this time I think I will give you a sentence and then you can go ahead and give me a sentence or give others a sentence. Okay?
Hello, ma'am.
Samrita. Samrita, you want to try? I'll finish with Naumika and come to Samrita. Okay. Naumika, your sentence. I want others also to try this.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Samrita, it's okay. You chill. Okay. So, THANKYVOUFORENDINGMYSESSION.
Mom.
Ma'am, this is cheating, ma'am. You told me to tell. You told me to tell two letters at a time.
Thank you.
Too fast.
No, I didn't say two letters at a time. I only asked you.
Can you repeat?
Hello. Hello.
Okay, who is talking?
Hello.
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
I'll put others on mute. So whom do you want to be unmuted now, Divya? I'll keep all others on mute.
Naumika, I want you to be unmuted. Naumika, I want you to speak up.
Yes, Naumika, you can unmute yourself and speak.
Sentence.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. But did you hear what I said?
Yeah.
You want me to repeat?
Yeah.
Okay. I will repeat the sentence again. Naumika is on screen, but others who understood the sentence can type those sentence in the comment section. Okay. So the sentence is THANKYOUFORATTINGMYSESSION.
Hello, Chitti. I heard the first two words. Thank you for. After that, I could not.
Thank you for, you could follow until thank you for. After that, you could follow. Okay. Did anyone else got it? Bharnika, thank you for adding me in the session. Actually, there's a small correction, Bharnika, but otherwise, wow, Abdul, I think you're right. Thank you for attending my session. Okay, suddenly there's a screen. Okay. Okay, Rahul, thank you for attending my session. I think that's the right answer because now I will repeat so that you can understand what I read. THANKYOUFORATTINGMYSESSION. Got it? Okay, super. Okay, so Abdul, can you speak now? If you can speak, I will put you on video and unmute. And Tamara can help me do that. If you are ready, we can do that.
Yes. So whom do you want me to unmute?
Abdul Mateen.
Yes, Abdul, I have unmuted you. You can unmute yourself and speak.
Yes.
Abdul, can you say a sentence like this, dear?
Yes, I can.
Please go ahead.
THEBIGGESTDINOFAURLIVED FIFTYMILLIONYEARSAGO.
Abdul, I think you're reading out all the alphabets in the book, or I think you are randomly reading out alphabets.
No, it's a sentence.
See, the whole point is, if you are spelling out, you have to give a gap between two words. See, suppose when I said
Okay, understood.
I'll
tell you again. THEBIGGESTDINOFAURLIVED
Okay. There lived, no, I think THE, the, something with big, then I heard million ago. I think I figured it. Tamar, did you get anything out of what?
Yes, actually I got it. I think he said the biggest dinosaur lived 50 million years ago. I guess that's the one he said.
Oh, wow. I think you live to your name of being an MC, to listen to people.
Thank you.
Then speaking out. Thank you. Good job, Tamar.
So I think Sitish is sending the biggest dinosaur lived 15 million or 50, right?
Yeah, 50, I think.
Yes, it's not 15, 50 million years ago. Okay.
Okay. Good job. Shritish, can we try? Because we had a small mishap with your sentence last time. With your sentence now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think you understood the drill. You have to say out the spellings, but make sure you give a gap between your words, not.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'll start.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Give me a second. IAMLIVINGINDUBAI.
No, you're confused. I think you need to come back again. There was no
Yes.
spacing in between. Can you come again?
Why?
Yes, ma'am. IAMLIVINGINDUBAI.
Okay, I think I got it. I am living in Dubai.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh wow, everyone.
Because I couldn't frame the sentence in the time you gave me, so I just told some random sentence.
No problem. See, it's not the amount of difficulty your sentence has, but it should also be the clarity in what you say. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Simple line, but you should have a clarity in such a way that it goes and it delivers to the other person. I think choosing for that time and thinking spontaneously, I think you did a good job, and I think everyone did a good job who participated in this session. I mean, in this particular activity. Can we all have a big round of applause to everyone? I think Samrita is the only one who's left out. Samrita, you become very naughty. You didn't answer one question.
Ma'am, I can.
Yeah.
One question, ma'am.
Yeah, dear.
BLUESTAR.
Blue star. Did you read it out from the AC in your room? I hope not. Okay. I mean, I totally appreciate yours, Samrita. Thank you even for the smallest of word. Okay, we have one last request from Naumika. Naumika wants to say a sentence. Can we listen to Naumika what she has to say? Tamil, just Naumika on mute.
Yes, Naumika is ready.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Naumika.
IWANTTU. Hello?
Louder. Can you be a little louder, Naumika? And also space in between.
Yeah. IWANTGOTOSCHOOL.
I want to go to school. Am I right?
Yeah, but it's not true.
Good job. See, I can understand you guys are missing your school. I mean, it's seen in the way you guys express. See, this is what I'm trying to say. The moment I ask you to say a sentence, you just say a sentence which is in your mind. So when you say that I want to go to school, I can understand that how much Naumika is missing her school. So how many of you are missing your schools? Please raise your hands. Everyone's missing your school. Okay, so I think people like me, Tamil, are here to help you out to feel a little better during this time that you're not going to school. We are there to help you even if you're not, even if your schools are there. So we'll keep you entertained always. Okay? Okay, one last thing I wanted to say is communication. Today's session was something like a prequel, what do I say? Something like a warm-up session for, okay, Samrita wants to say something. Samrita, can you unmute?
You can share.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
Hamsini want to say a question, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, I'm unmuting Hamsini as well.
Yeah.
You can unmute yourself, Hamsini. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Hamsini, you can speak. You can unmute yourself and speak.
Hamsini, sorry, you're muted again. Try to unmute. Yeah.
Yes, Hamsini, you can speak now.
Thank you, Samrita. Ma'am, I want to ask you a question.
Yeah, dear.
This நான் எதுக்கு வந்தேன்னா கௌதம்காக தான் வந்தேன்.
Oh.
இதோ
எதுக்காக வந்தீங்க?
ஏன்னா கிரீட்டிங் கார்டு போட்டிருந்தீங்கல்ல, கௌதம் பர்த்டே வருது, கிரீட்டிங் கார்டு எப்படி செய்யலாம்னு பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன். ஒரு ஐடியா வரும் தான் வந்தேன்.
சரி, என்னைக்கு கௌதமோட பர்த்டே சொல்லுங்க.
ஜூலை 5.
ஜூலை 5 தானே? சண்டே கிளாஸ் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, கத்துப்போம்.
ஓகே மேம்.
Okay, see that I was about to say this only, because Hamsini has attended my classes. You know how I take classes, Leah.
Yeah, ma'am.
You know how I take it through. But even before getting it, nama on the previous sessions we used to have 5 different activities based on different skills. Leah, each day we used to have different activities on different skills. But this time I was only speaking about communication skill on a whole. So communication skill adu patti mattum pesrona, we have to focus on the small nuances or smallest things that we lose focus on. நம்ம நிறைய விஷயங்கள் இது என்ன, இதெல்லாம் ஒரு விஷயமா, இதெல்லாம் ஒரு மேட்டரா அப்படின்னு நம்ம யோசிப்போம். But we will miss out on them, and that is where we will lag. Okay, so that's why this session I just wanted to give you guys a hint as to how important communication is when you communicate effectively, properly. Okay, even when you're doing a spelling, suppose you miss out one letter somewhere in between. Sometimes you are my son அப்படின்னு எழுதுறதுக்கு பதிலா you are my sin ன்னு போட்டுட்டாங்கன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? Just imagine. SUN is sun, the big sun. And suppose instead of writing SUN, you write SIN. Okay, so it's like a big mistake. I mean, it is not a very big mistake to see, but or if suppose you I say this to you, you are a son Hamsini na solren, and suppose you turn instead of saying you are a son, I say you are a sin Hamsini. You will get offended, correct? You will get hurt, you will feel bad. So these are the very important things that I wanted to say you guys, that you have to focus on all this. So fun activity madri iniki try pannu. Okay, but Sunday attend பண்ணுங்க. Sunday definitely I am going to show a different greeting card than we made last time. I don't think you were there in the greeting card session, correct? I don't think. Yeah, okay. So will you please attend the Sunday's class? I will definitely show everyone how to draw or how to create a beautiful greeting card that you can give to your brother, your sister, your mom, dad, friend, anyone in this world. Okay? Okay. So I have many people asking me questions. So before that, I definitely Tamil will give you a chance for everyone to give your feedback or ask a question. I will just finish this session with the last thing. See, communication various forms la irukum. Today I wanted to speak about storytelling, story building and things, but the activity took a little time. But I will just show. Now this was one type of communication where we were doing things verbally, correct? Now this is non-verbal. One example is a greeting card. Okay, we use greeting card as a non-verbal way of expressing things. Yeah, Rahul, I'll just give you a minute to speak. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll just finish this off. Okay, so you can write greeting cards or make greeting cards to communicate to your loved ones on their birthdays, their anniversaries or anything. This is also another form, letter writing. Okay, I'm sure many of you guys would have seen this letter before, but still I'm showing it again because this is also a way of communication. Okay, letter writing is also another way of communication. There is another way of communication as well, or maybe saving memories, I can say. That is nothing but a scrapbook. I'm showing all this because my students actually helped me do, or whenever I taught my students, I did all this and I kept it with me. So this is nothing but a scrapbook where I say God's gift. My mom says I am her favorite flower. And this scrapbook is about flowers. So you can see I've drawn a flower in between, and I've named it Blossom. So this is also a form of communication. Tomorrow, if you want to give this to someone, you can just take and give this. This is also communicating to someone what you like or what you have saved. Okay, this is just an example of a scrapbook. Okay, to know more about this, you guys can definitely attend the Sunday session. And this is another way of communication. This is nothing but a pictorial representation. Correct? I know many of you would be knowing that pictorial representation is as such another form of communication where this is easily said. You guys will understand that it is an ecological pyramid and it has carnivorous, omnivorous, herbivorous, trees and decomposers and sun and snow and fish. So this by itself is a pictorial representation, a way of communication. Okay, so I wanted to show all of this to you guys. So yeah, I think I'm done. Okay, now you guys can shoot me questions. I saw many of you wanted to ask me questions. Please shoot. Yeah, Tamil, can you please?
Yes, Hamsini, you can start. First, we'll go in this order. Hamsini first, and next Rahul, and then Satvik. After that, we'll decide. Yes,
Yeah.
Hamsini.
Ma'am, that spelling, ma'am. I wanted to say.
Okay, go ahead.
SUNIHEBIGESTFIREBALL.
Biggest fire. Sun is the biggest fireball.
Yeah, ma'am, correct.
Good. Okay. Did anyone else guess? Anyone else guess this? I think I was the first person to guess. Okay. No one noticed. Very good, Hamsini. I think we both are in sync, Hamsini.
Ma'am?
I think we both are in sync. Okay.
Ma'am, can Sritesh?
Yes, next person, you can unmute yourself and speak.
Ma'am, Sritesh, ma'am.
Shritish, yeah, Shritish. Say me.
Ma'am, it's actually an object that the sir has teaching us, like in shape. That is arc. ANARC ISAPORTIONOF THECIRCUMFERENCE OFA CIRCLE.
CIRCLE, circle. See, Shritish, you know what I think the mistake you're making is, suppose you are spelling the word circle, you shouldn't break in between. See, I heard you say CIRCLE. You
Yes,
broke,
ma'am.
correct? So you shouldn't
Yes.
break in between. CIRCLE. That is how you should say. See, suppose
Oh, yes, ma'am.
is a circle. If suppose that is the sentence I'm trying to say, sun is a circle, I would say it in this way: SUNIS ACIRCLE. So when I break in between CIRCLE, I'll be thinking, this guy said A before, so should I add ACIR together or CIRCLE together? So that's
Oh.
the question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So last.
Never mind. You can text me also, no problem. So we'll move on to the next person. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we find
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
I can
Yeah, Samrita.
PATLU.
Hey, Motu here TV la. She's watching Motu Patlu on TV and she's saying PATLU. Samrita is very naughty these days. Okay, let's move to some serious questions. Rahul, you wanted to ask me something.
Yes, ma'am, about the sentence only. can I say, ma'am?
Rahul, can you please be louder? Your voice is too low.
Sir, can you hear me now? Sir, can you now hear me?
Yes, continue, Rahul. Better you can keep your mic little closer and you can speak out louder.
Okay, the sentence, can I just say the sentence? IAMHAVANG
Ma'am, shall I tell the word?
YOUTUBECHANNEL
Rahul, I'm really sorry to interrupt. Your voice is very low, dear. I really can't hear you. I can understand that you're trying to spell out a sentence, but your voice is so low that I'm not able to do that. The fun won't be there if you put it on the chat box, I know.
Could you just wait a second? I will just change the mic.
Ma'am,
Satvik, just a moment, Satvik. I just brought the camera closer to me.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Able to hear Rahul? At
Yes,
least.
ma'am, can you hear me now?
To certain extent, even though it's not as good as others, especially if he wants to communicate something, we can listen. But since it's an exercise, I think better we can skip.
Yeah. So Rahul, I think it is really difficult to figure it out. If you have any other question or doubt regarding this, you can just ask me. If it is spelling out the sentence, I think we'll skip because it is really not audible here. I'm really sorry for disappointing you, but this is a technical glitch.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'm so sorry, but thank you for following up with me from the previous session to join the session. Thank you so much, and thanks to your mom also for being so supportive. Okay. Okay. So next, I think Satvik. Oh, it's 7:30, guys. Let's wrap it up soon. Satvik. Okay, last question.
ma'am, I want to tell that spelling.
Okay. Please go ahead.
ILLTOSKPIING.
Can you repeat?
IWILLTOSKPIING.
I will come to skating.
Wrong.
What is it? Skipping.
Yes, I will be skipping.
You will come to skipping. Okay.
Ma'am, Sritesh has a doubt.
Yeah, Shritish.
What are the types of communications, ma'am? Non-verbal, verbal, and?
It is only verbal and non-verbal, but
Oh,
again,
that.
different types under verbal and non-verbal. This communication as such is a big topic. If I have to start a beginning, it will take a lot of time, but I'll definitely tell you this on the Sunday session, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, Divya, sorry to interrupt. Before we go to the further questions, probably I wanted to sum up what we can expect in this Sunday's workshop. So before that, once again, I would like to welcome and thank all the kids who have joined today's session and taking part so enthusiastically. It always happens whenever we conduct session for kids, it goes beyond the time what we plan. In fact, we plan for 6 to 7 p.m. But what happens, kids enthusiastically will take part, but finally at 8 or 8:30, your parents will scold us that you people have extended this session. But we never worry for that because we always wanted to give more to the kids. However, at the same time, I just wanted to know what are the things all these kids can expect on this Sunday so that they can also discuss with their parents. So probably after that, if we have time, we can go for a little more of drill or what we do usually is once we are done with our portion, we just ask the kids, they can relieve if they want to leave the session, they can leave. Whoever is still interested, they can just continue so that others, they can relieve themselves. So Divya, you can share what we can expect in this Sunday's workshop.
Just a moment.
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry. I just had to close the door because it was a little noisy out there. Okay, so kids, to give you a heads up as to what we are going to learn on Sunday is starting from story building. First of all, we'll speak about what communication is, what are the different types of communication, verbal and non-verbal. Non-verbal, for under non-verbal, we are going to work on an activity called story building, and under verbal we are going to do story building. Under non-verbal we are going to do, I'm messing up, sorry guys, sorry, I'm really sorry. Sorry Tamil, I think I just missed out on something. Okay, I'll come again. Okay, on Sunday, communication skills, we are learning types of communications and how effectively and how empathetically we have to speak to others. For verbal communication, we are going to learn story building. For non-verbal, we are going to learn letter writing and greeting card. Okay, this greeting card will come in between, because when you give a greeting card, you have to wish someone, that which will be verbal, and also draw or write something which is also non-verbal. Okay, so a greeting card will be a combination of both verbal and non-verbal. Story building is verbal and letter writing is non-verbal. Okay, so that's how it is. That's if I have to say it in simple terms. Okay, ma'am. So we will also have small things to do on that day. If you want to learn how effectively you want to say a story, if you want to learn how effectively you want to write a letter, and how effectively you want to do a greeting card, please attend the session on Sunday in the morning at 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. It's going to be a 2-hour session. If you are willing to join, please schedule your activities accordingly, and say your parents also that you have a 2-hour session, and please be at home, or please find some time to give your mobile or your laptop or your tab to me. Okay. Okay, I think I just summed it up. Over to you.
Yes, thank you so much, Divya. Now, kids, what I'm going to do, yes, of course, I know that so many of you have so many doubts. You always have a number. You either have my number or Nandini's number or Divya ma'am's number. So after this session, you can definitely ping us in WhatsApp and you can ask your question. Anything related to today's session or anything related to Sunday's session, or if something beyond that also, whatever the question you wanted to ask now, because since it's 7:35, we want to close another 5-10 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give opportunity for each and everyone. So let me see the screen over here. Let me once again welcome. We have Varnika here. We have Hamsini, Samrita, Satvik, Naumika, Rahul, Sritish, and yes, of course, others are from my team. So I'm going to unmute each and every one of you one by one. All others will be on mute. So you will be once again give your introduction, your name, where are you from, and how much you enjoyed today's session. And one last question. If I'm giving you option to ask only one question, so what is that question is going to be? Okay, because if I ask you, you can ask a question, you can ask even 1,000 questions. But when we say that you have only option to ask only one question or 3 questions, then you will filter the question and will ask only real questions what you want. அப்படிலாம் என்ன கேட்பீங்க, அண்ணா நீங்க நைட் நீங்க என்ன சாப்பிட போறீங்க, நாளைக்கு நேத்து என்ன சாப்பிட்டீங்க, சண்டே என்ன ட்ரெஸ் போட போறீங்க, இதெல்லாம் கூட கேட்பீங்க, which may not be helpful for you at this moment. Okay, all these things we can definitely discuss other time. ஏன்னா chatல நான் பார்த்தேன், as soon as we logged in, lot of you, hi, மத்தவங்க நேம் போட்டு hi, I'm saying hi, Naumika சொல்லிட்டு, you have made this as a chat platform. Okay, but nothing wrong in that. We always love to be with kids. Okay, we don't take it as a disturbance at all, as long as it doesn't disturb the program. Because when 10 kids are here, when they are able to take what they wanted to take from this, we don't mind anything happening here. But only when it goes out of control, we try to interfere. So now, first, let's start with who wants to talk first. Only first person I'm going to decide. You can raise your hand. Who wants to share your feedback or who wants to talk? You can raise your hand. I'm going to unmute first person. After that, I'll decide. Okay, Rahul has raised his hand. So after this, I'll be going with the screen, whoever the person I'm seeing first on the screen. Now, Rahul, what you will say your full name, your school or your class or your age, and what is your major learning today or how much you enjoyed today. And if you have any other question, one question you can ask, okay? And Divya ma'am will not answer the question now. We will sum up all the questions and finally in a concluding speech, she will answer all the questions together. So let me unmute Rahul and I'm going to pin you also and I'm going to spotlight. Who is coming on video, you'll be seen to others. Yes, Rahul.
My name is Rahul Vittal.
A little more louder. You can throw your voice, okay? Yeah.
My name is Rahul Vittal and I'm from Chennai in India. And today I've enjoyed the session a lot, so much. And I have no doubts. That's it.
Thank you, Rahul. So, in case you have not heard others, he said is Rahul is from Adyar, right?
No, Chennai.
From Chennai, okay, Chennai, and he enjoyed this session. And Rahul, when you're coming for Sunday's session, I would request you to fix your mic, headphone, everyone, not only for Rahul, everyone. Make sure that everything is working fine now, so that you can do a test Zoom call with your friends and you can fix everything. Because during the main session, if you are going to miss it, maybe you will miss a lot. Okay. Also, for others, also, when you are speaking, if others are not able to listen to you, they will lose the interest. So for that, what we need to do is we need to keep you on mute throughout. We don't want to do that. We want to give opportunity to everyone. So please make sure that you fix your audio problem also. Thank you, Rahul. And next, I'm going to bring Varnika and Spotlight. And I'll unmute you as well. 1 second. Yes, Varnika. You can unmute yourself and you can speak.
I'm Varnika. I'm from Chennai. I'm studying 9th standard. I enjoyed today's session very much, but I don't have any doubts.
Thank you. Thank you so much. All right. Next on my screen is Hamsini. I'm going to bring you on Spotlight and unmute you. Yes, Hamsini, you can speak.
I am Hamsini. I really enjoyed the session today. No more doubts.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And next, Samrita. You're in my screen. The next. Yes.
I enjoyed this class. My name is Samrita. I didn't want any questions.
Thank you. Next, Satvik. Yes, Satvik, you can speak.
Hi, my name is J. Satvik. I am studying 5th standard Velamal Vidyalaya Annexure, Ainambakam. I enjoyed this section, today's section. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, next on my screen, Rahul. Okay, Rahul, if possible, if you are able to come on video, you can come. If not, that's fine. You can speak, Rahul.
I think Rahul finished.
I spoke.
Oh, he has messaged you?
No, I spoke already. I spoke.
Okay, I think Rahul done. Okay, sorry. I think since your video is turned off, I thought it's someone else. Okay, Navmika, we'll go to Navmika. Navmika, can you come on video or you're going to speak only on voice?
I can't start my video. I am Navnika and I'm from Chennai and I study in 6th grade and I'm in Sam Academy School. So I don't have a question, but I have something to show. Can I show it now?
You can show, you can.
Yes, Navmika wants to show something, but then I need to give you an access. Do you know how to share your screen or how you are going to show? Probably, I think you can show it on Sunday. In the meantime, we'll try to figure it out how you are going to show, because you need to share your screen. I don't know if you are aware of that. Probably we'll discuss this offline and then we can show that as well.
I think if it is something done on a paper, I think you can just show it, picking it up like this, Navmika.
Yes, I think she has not yet turned on your video. Navmika, you can turn on your video first. Probably then we can figure it out what's it you are going to show us. Yes, your video is on. Okay, what are you going to show us? Is it in your paper or is it in your mobile or computer?
It's in a paper. It's actually a letter for the recipe.
Okay. All right. Our voice is very feeble. Now, Mika, I would suggest you also, when you come for Sunday session, before that you can fix your audio, so that we are able to listen to you. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, she's showing something in paper. Let me spotlight that. Yeah. Something for Divya. I love Divya Chitti's sessions. Thank you. I love you. From Naumika P, 5D, San Academy.
Thank you so much.
So lovely.
I even have 2 hearts for you.
And special art teams as well.
Okay, so we can topic because this is Chitti and Dapper's moment. So we take this offline. We will move on to the next person. I think
All
only
right.
is left.
Yes, okay, next we'll move on to the last person, Shritish. Yes, you can share.
My name is Satish Kumar, and I'm from JSS Private School. I was actually fascinated and amazed by this class. This class was wonderful. And I just have a doubt. Will there be handwriting classes over here?
Oh, sure. If you want, I can definitely do that too.
Yes, ma'am, because I want.
For sure, Shritish. I'm always there to help you guys out. So if you guys, I'm sorry, Tamil, I'll just put this one point last. If any of you guys have a problem with communication, if you have problem, யார்கிட்டயாச்சும் பேசுறது கஷ்டமா இருக்கு, இல்ல if you guys don't understand a few words, or if you don't understand English itself, or if you having problem in putting words together and speak in English, any of this difficulty that you have in English or in communicating anything to anyone, please let me know. We have a therapy or a session kind of a thing that I take up for this kind of issues. So I can also help you guys with that. So not just as a fun activity, but also as a mainstream session. Okay, yeah, that's it.
Yes, thank you, Divya. And before we close, I would like to share what you can expect on this Sunday. So basically, this workshop is named as Communication with Love, a communication and social and emotional skills development training for kids. So these are the things that's going to be covered: story building, letter writing, greeting card making. So what are the benefits? You're going to learn to make others happy. You're going to promote your mindfulness, generate self-reflection, vocabulary, comprehension, sequencing, memory, creative writing, and of course, it's going to be with absolute fun. And also, you're going to get certificate at the end of the session. The timing would be this Sunday. It's for the age category 8 to 14. However, if you have younger siblings or even someone is beyond 14 also, as long as they have the interest, they can take part. And today we had the free demo session. If possible, and if we have time, if we could allot some more time, we will plan for one more demo session. I will have discussion with Divya ma'am and let you all know. In the case, if we have one more demo session, if you want to bring in your friends also, it's not mandatory that only if you attend this demo session today, you should come for Sunday's workshop. Those who have missed this also, they can still come for the main workshop, okay? So it's not that whatever we did today, exactly you're going to do it on Sunday. We'll be doing a lot more new things on Sunday. So definitely you can bring in your friends for Sunday. In case we plan a one more demo workshop, you can also join, and you can also bring in more friends of yours so that they also get to know what they are going to learn. And please do share this poster. We'll share this poster with you. Either Divya ma'am will send you or myself will send it to you. You can share it with your friends so that when more number of kids are coming, we are going to have more fun as well. So any questions you have after this workshop, you can definitely, after this demo session, you can feel free to ping us. If you have my number, you can ping me, or if you have a Divya ma'am's number, you can ping her. Or whoever has messaged you, உங்களுக்கு வேற ஏதாவது ஒரு ஆன்டி மெசேஜ் பண்ணிருந்தாங்க அப்படினா அவங்ககிட்ட கேட்டிங்கனா they will send our number, you can contact us. Okay, any questions, please feel free to message us on WhatsApp. And before we close this session, my name is Thamarasan, along with my business partner Nandini Aravindan and my team member Shamya here. We are the MC company with the name Chennai Event MCs. So we will be taking care of this MCing part. MCing means master of segments. Like when you see in a TV, you see the anchors, right? You see Gopinath sir, you see Makapanan, Divya, Arnab Goswami, that is the work we do offline. And now, because of this lockdown, we are also doing it online. So any sessions before we start, we try to sort out all the technical issues with the kids, and also we take care, இப்போ திவ்யா மேம் பேசிட்டு இருக்கும்போது நீங்க நிறைய பேர் சொல்லுவீங்க மேம் உங்க வாய்ஸ் கேட்கல, உங்க வீடியோ ஒர்க் ஆகலன்னு சொல்லிட்டு we will be monitoring from our event side. We will be monitoring கரெக்டா போயிட்டு இருக்கு அப்படின்னா we'll say all going smooth. If somewhere we find any issues going on, we'll be addressing it. That's the reason we have 2 or 3 members from our team joined here. Like you can see the names Shamya and Nandini, they are my team members. They have been continuously monitoring. நான் பேசும்போது சரியா கேட்கல அப்படின்னா they'll be immediately giving me feedback in WhatsApp or in the chat saying that voice is not audible. So இது மாதிரி we'll be doing. So it's going to be absolute fun. Sunday also we are coming with a lot of new activities for you and a lot more games along with Divya ma'am's 2 hour schedule. And Samrita, you raise your hand. One of time, we'll close it here. Any questions, you can contact us on the WhatsApp. Maybe we'll take one last question from Samrita. Yes, Samrita. You can unmute yourself. Yes, unmute பண்ணியாச்சு. You can speak. Yes.
Ma'am, tomorrow is class.
No, dear,
It's
this is
on
not
Sunday.
special class. This is just a one-day session that we have on Sunday. அதுக்கு இது ட்ரெய்லர் மாதிரி. Okay. Main picture Sunday தான்.
So Samrita, what is the date given here? Can you read this date here?
Sunday 28/6/2020. அப்படினா
And it's in the morning. It's not in the evening. It's morning 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Okay. அன்னைக்கு Sunday வரேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு evening 6 o'clock login பண்ணக்கூடாது. Morning it's 10 a.m. to 12 and you will be getting a new link, not today's link. இன்னைக்கான லிங்க் கிடையாது. We will be sending you new Zoom link. Okay. We will create a WhatsApp group. We will add you all. யாரெல்லாம் நீங்க once நீங்க பேமெண்ட் பண்ணி இப்ப நிறைய பேருக்கு ஒரு டவுட் இருக்கும் how to make the payment அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு today after this session you contact me or Divya ma'am and we'll send you the bank details. Your parents can contact once you make the payment. We will add you to the main workshop group. ஒரு புது group create பண்ணி we'll add you. Sunday morning by 9:30 we will share the webinar link. உங்களுக்கு லிங்க் கொடுத்துருவோம். இன்னைக்கு வந்த மாதிரி you will be registering and you will take part in the webinar. And please share this with your friends also. Let your friends also join. And during the session we don't mind, your parents can also, if they want to sit they can sit. Illa they want அன்னைக்கு Sunday உங்களுக்கு non-veg எல்லாம் cook பண்ணனும் அப்படினா they are busy, you can leave them. But I request kids, உங்களுக்கு தேவையான எல்லாமே you can bring ready and you can come and sit. உங்களுக்கு water bottle வேணும், என்னலாம் வேணுமோ snacks எல்லாம் வேணும்னா எல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு வந்து 10 to 12 you are completely blocked for this. Okay, இன்னைக்கு யாரோ சொன்னீங்க பட் பண்ணிட்டே போய் எனக்கு கால் வருது, வேற ஒரு கால் வருது, நான் போலாமா அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். And the 2 hours you can keep yourself blocked for this. Okay, to have absolute fun, great learning. And நிறைய பேர் சொன்னீங்க greeting card பண்றத கத்துக்கிட்டு I need to send to my friends சொல்லிட்டு. So practically you are going to learn it and you are going to apply. So I'm done from my side. Divya, you can just give a concluding note and we can close the call.
Okay, so first of all, thank you Tamil and Chennai MC's group for hosting this session. If not for you guys, this wouldn't have been possible today. And the kids, I love you all. Thank you for joining the session. Hoping to see you all on Sunday too. I'm sure another fun session. So I took a lot of your time today. So you guys can go and rest. Sunday come prepared, water bottle, juice, biscuit, chips, எல்லாத்தையும் சைடுல வச்சிட்டு நம்ம வந்து வர்க் பண்ணுவோம். Okay? Okay. Anyways,
all right, thank you all kids. Have a great time. Good night.
Bye. Good night.